Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So OnePlus have also started rolling out September security patch for OnePlus 12R. Just few days back, the same patch was rolled out for OnePlus 12. We have already done a video. If you guys have missed out that video, make sure to watch it out. So now both the 12 series like OnePlus 12 and 12R have got September security patch. And guys, we were expecting OxygenOS 15 open betas, but OnePlus have again delayed it. Now the official confirmation from OnePlus for the rollout of ColorOS 15 is mostly on 17th because the recruitment for ColorOS will be starting from October 12th, which is tomorrow, and recruitment will be on up to October 15th. So I've already updated this thing on Twitter. You guys can check it out, and if you haven't followed us on Twitter, make sure to follow because I keep updating such things on Twitter. Now talking about the update for OnePlus 12R, so still OTA update is not yet rolled out. I've manually updated the device. First of all, if you guys haven't received the OTA update and if you guys want to update right away, you can use the OxygenOS updater application. If you go here, you can see the update is available. But remember guys, still incremental update is not available in the OxygenOS updater application. You only have the option to download the full zip file. And the size of full zip file is around 6.16 GB. So let me show you the software information after going to the about section. Here you can see the current version is .832. And another thing guys, once you update your device to this latest build of September, the software update card will be completely revamped. This is how it will look after the September update. And like before, this build is also based on OxygenOS 14.1, but still they haven't changed that in about section. And if you guys want to check out, because I get to see a lot of comments that it's not OxygenOS 14.1. So guys, if you are not aware, this is the way you can check. So here we have the zip file. You need to extract the file, then go to extracted folder, meta, com, Android, and metadata. Now use any application to open that file, and here if you see OS version is 14.1.0, though the display version is 14.0. So guys, don't spam that it's not OxygenOS 14.1. And here you can see the security patch of 5th September 2024. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Before talking about the benchmark scores and changelogs, let me tell you two things which I've noticed are improved on this latest build. One of them is layer 2 fingerprint unlock. So now after this update, I did notice the fingerprint unlocking speed is slightly improved compared to the previous build. So this is one improvement which I've noticed on this latest build. And if you guys have seen a review video in which I did mention about this error which I was getting on my OnePlus 12R. But since I've updated this device to September build, till now this issue haven't occurred on my device. And after that, sometimes we also used to see app freezing issues while opening or closing the application. But on this build, it looks they have fixed that thing also. It's not only me who was talking about the app freezing, there were multiple users who reported this. So these were few things which I noticed are improved, or you can say fixed. Now let's compare the benchmark results with the previous build. Starting off with the Geekbenchmark application, here you can see we have the results of previous build which was done on 4th September and the latest build. Slightly lower scores are seen both in single core and multi-cores, but that's not a huge difference. Almost similar kind of throttling issues we noticed on both the builds. You consider previous or the latest one. Maximum CPU had throttled 68% on both the builds, but on this latest build we can see slightly higher average gaps. And almost same stability scores are seen in the Wildlife Extreme Stress Test. In terms of AnTuTu benchmark application, slightly lower scores are to be seen. But don't worry, I'll be soon doing an in-depth review of this latest build. So if you guys have any kind of questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. Now let's talk about the changelogs. So they have done almost 3 changes which are completely layered to system. One of them is layer 2 clock, and other 2 are layer 2 app clone. So now in the clock application, they have done some changes where you can set a default alarm sound, and that sound will be applied to all the other alarms you have set. That will be used for all the alarms by default. So this is the only change in the clock application they have done. After that, if you take a look at the second changelog, which is layer 2 app cloner, wherein you can set a default app that is opened using the quick function. So if I go to the settings, apps, app cloner, let me create a clone of WhatsApp. Soon you create a clone of WhatsApp. Now you have new options here. If you tap on the default app to open, where you can set the cloned application as the default application. For example, if you want to send any link or forward, instead of choosing the app, you can set cloned app as the primary app. And if you don't want that, you can always select the always ask option. So whenever you are sharing any link or forward, you'll see a pop-up which will always ask you to select the application. So according to your requirement, you can set any of these. And after that, they say they have expanded the scope of fuzzy searching other apps in the app cloner for easy searching. And later on, they have integrated the security patch of 5th September 2024. And guys, another thing, I'm not sure about that because recently OnePlus did add some AI features on other OnePlus smartphones, but those were not mentioned in the change logs. One of them is related to a recorder application wherein you have the option to create summaries using AI. So recording summary feature, I'm not sure whether this was present on previous build or not, but if you guys are aware, do let me know in the comment section below. So if you guys are not aware about this feature, let me tell you. So if you have any audio recording, you can create a summary using OnePlus AI. We do have the language support like English, Hindi, Spanish, Italian, simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese. I'll always select auto, and now you can see it says generating, and the same thing you'll also see in the status bar. Once the summary is generated, you can again tap on summary and you can see all the important points, or you can say the summary of the entire recording. And you also have the option of auto transcript. Tapping on it, here you can see the transcript of that entire audio. You do have options like you can copy and paste it in the notes application too. So I'm not sure about this feature, so you guys let me know in the comment section below, and also let me know whether you want a detailed review of this latest build or not. So guys, this was all about the latest update for OnePlus 12R. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything